You find yourself in the following situation. You got nothing. You got no pull-up bar, you got no bands, you got no suspension trainer. You have nothing to pull against. All you've got is the floor beneath your feet. What can you do to adequately work your back? Well, when you find yourself in this situation, you do have something you can pull against. That thing is the floor at your feet. And you can do it with an exercise that's usually not considered a back exercise, but a core exercise that works your back. Specifically, we're talking about ab wheels. Ab wheels are one of the best back exercises, bar none. I know we often think of it as a core exercise, but remember that the muscles in your back and your abdominals are inherently linked together. And if you want to work one, you want to work the other. The reason why this exercise works so well is because it focuses on the shoulder extension. You're flexing your shoulder as you stretch out, and then you're extending as you pull against the ground and you pull your arms backwards. This is the exact same motion your arms do in a row or many pulling exercises to work your back. So as far as your back and your shoulders are concerned, it's the same basic idea. You're just pulling against floor with a different relationship to gravity. So if you don't have an ab wheel, you can use anything you can slide along the floor. You can use books on carpet, you can use towels on like tile or hardwood floors. Anything that you can slide on the floor is going to work wonders for you. I left a little bit of a stretch out routine down below with some other supplemental back exercises you can use without using any sort of equipment. If you find this sort of thing helpful, I come out with these videos every week, so you can subscribe there, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss an episode. And if you want to learn more about this topic, these videos here will point you in the right direction. Till then, be fit, live free.